Judge David Brown. I'm a mediator, arbitrator, judicial referee, and discovery referee at JAMS. I started practicing in 1974. I had a firm that I was with doing litigation work. I did lots of trials until 2008 when I was tapped to become a judge by the governor, and then started with the Sacramento Superior Court at that time, and then in 2021 retired to start being an arbitrator and mediator. So my mediation style, I guess, is facilitative and evaluative, and a combination of the two depending on the case. I spend a lot of time preparing for mediation. I read the briefs very carefully, and I research the cases that they give me, so I'm familiar with the legal issues. I do pre-mediation calls with counsel to try to get a feel of what they think their case is about. That gives me an opportunity to get a really good feel of the entire case. So I'm prepared the next day to hit the ground running. A successful arbitration is an arbitration where the parties, just like in trial, are allowed to get their points of view out. They have their experts tell me what they need to tell me. Their clients have told me what they need to tell me. Somebody's not going to be happy with the result, but it's been my experience, both in court and as an arbitrator, if people understand the reasons that I'm making the decision, then they're more comfortable and accepting of that decision. And I've had a lot of lawyers say to me, I may not agree entirely with your ruling on that one, Judge Brown, but we understand why you did it, and we're good with it. I enjoy all practice areas. I particularly like tort claims, business litigation, employment litigation cases, construction defect cases, and I really enjoy underinsured and uninsured motorist arbitrations. I'm diligent to try to resolve cases that have sticking points. I just settled a case that had been 6 months past mediation. Yesterday it settled. After 6 months, the parties called me each up and said, thank you for sticking with it. Sometimes you can't settle cases. Lots of cases need to be tried. But the vast majority of cases can and will be settled if you have enough perseverance. I just like helping people resolve their cases. I liked it as a settlement conference judge when I did that. I liked it as a lawyer when I resolved a case. There's something satisfying. Maybe it's Pavlovian. When I settle a case, I just feel like I've done a service to the community.